Today we're looking into the story of Ronald de la Rosa, better known as Bato de la Rosa, one of the most recognizable and controversial political figures in the Philippines. Rising from a police general to a national politician, de la Rosa became closely associated with former President Rodrigo Duterte's War on Drugs, a campaign that drew both strong support and international criticism. So now, many people are asking, where is Bato de la Rosa now? Let's find out. Bato de la Rosa first gained national attention as the chief of the Philippine National Police during the Duterte administration. He became the public face of the government's anti-drug campaign, which authorities described as an effort to reduce crime and illegal narcotics across the country. However, the campaign also became highly controversial due to allegations of extrajudicial killings and human rights abuses. International organizations and critics questioned police operations and called for investigations into thousands of deaths linked to the crackdown. Despite the controversy, de la Rosa remained politically influential and later won a seat in the Philippine Senate. In recent years, his name has resurfaced frequently due to discussions involving investigations by the International Criminal Court into the Duterte-era drug war. De la Rosa has repeatedly denied wrongdoing and defended the campaign as necessary for public safety. So, where is Bato de la Rosa now? As of now, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa vanished from public view after slipping out of the Philippine Senate complex amid a chaotic standoff and gunfire. Following an unsealed arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court, ICC, the Department of Justice issued an immigration lookout order for him. His exact physical location remains unknown after he left the Senate premises in an SUV before dawn. The ongoing situation involves several high-stakes developments. De la Rosa had taken refuge inside the Senate but departed secretly. His exit was followed by lockdowns, gunfire inside the complex, and a heavy deployment of police and military forces. He is contesting the ICC warrant, having filed an emergency appeal at the Supreme Court to stop local authorities from enforcing it. The Philippine Department of Justice has stated it will treat any attempt to flee as a mockery of justice, and has given specific orders to border control authorities to arrest him. He remains a vocal supporter of former President Rodrigo Duterte and continues participating in legislative discussions, media interviews, and public events. At the same time, he continues to face scrutiny from critics and international observers over his role in the anti-drug campaign. From police chief to senator, Bato de la Rosa's journey remains deeply tied to one of the most debated periods in modern Philippine history. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories about political figures and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.